Today we're going to look at the KHC 18 rotary hammer drill. This rotary hammer drill features several function settings. You have a combination of drilling and hammer mode, so that's going to do most of your hammer drilling. It has a separate drilling mode, which you can also use for driving. And lastly, it has a straight up chipping mode, so you can use it with a chisel or a spade for chipping tasks. It also features a comfort grip. If you notice the way you grip this tool, it's going to keep you in line with the bit and chuck, and it has a shock absorbing zone right here toward the top. It is reversible. Forward and reverse switch is located right above the trigger. Trigger is a generous size, so when I'm gripping this, index finger out, second and third finger are going to actuate the trigger. Now you can run this on our 4.0 or 5.0 batteries. Today I'm going to put it on the 5.0 battery, which also is the right size to continue that plane on the bottom. So when I set it down, it sits perfectly and it doesn't tip over. And while we're looking at this side of the drill, you'll also notice that it has a generous rafter hook, which is adjustable for position, or you can just simply swing it out of the way. Now this is a fixed speed unit. It goes 0 to 980 RPM. It doesn't have a variable speed dial. That's done through the trigger. It does feature a standard SDS chuck. However, being Festool, it's a little bit different, and it has a quick release function. So I can actually change out the SDS chuck for a keyless chuck, which is also included with the drill. So the keyless chuck, I'm going to actuate by pulling back the green part, sticking it on the shaft, and make sure it locks into place. And now I have a 1/2 inch keyless chuck. It does have a ratcheting feature to fully engage the drill. So if I'm going to use a smooth shank drill bit, I can do that and use this for drilling wood, steel, or just using it for driving. In addition, Festool offers an SDS adapter. So I'm going to go back to the original SDS chuck on here, and then I have an SDS adapter. Now this adapter allows me to use our Centratech chucking system, which is a rapid way of changing out for different driver tips or drill bits. Here I have a bit holder with a Phillips tip in that, and I can insert that directly into the SDS. Great feature of SDS chucks is you can just push it in. It's going to lock into place and not come out until I take it off. In addition, the drill has a rotary handle here. I can position anywhere it's comfortable for me. That allows me to have greater control of the drill, better balance. But this drill, one feature you can't see on the outside is that it features a kickbackstop. So if I'm drilling or driving with this and I hit a piece and it causes the drill to want to kick out of my hand, it's automatically arrested through electronic control, so I don't get the jarring of the wrist. Capacity-wise, it does have a 1/2 inch capacity for drilling in steel, 1 3/16 inch for wood, and lastly 1 1/32 inch for concrete, or basically say it's a 1 inch capacity tool. And again, we're going to use an SDS bit in here. We have various links that are available on the marketplace today. SDX will fit. We have the Centratech adapter. We have the keyless chucking option. I did use it with the 5.0 battery here for balance, as well as to be able to set it perfectly. And that battery would charge with our TCL6 charger. So altogether, you have a pretty complete set here for drilling concrete, stone, brick, masonry, whether you need to drill holes or drive screws. You can do it all with the KHC 18.